that pace. Gold aim! That's the googly I was talking about. Great length, a little bit of turn, and through the gate. Down the order. And when you have run out opportunity, just a little wide, when you have so many openers, I think it will take them a couple of matches to really understand and mature who's going to open and who's going to bat at what number. Labuschagne, so much experience, and experience here also. Mushfiqur Rahim. At the end, they both agreed to whatever they were discussing. Such a pro, Sandeep Labuschagne, really quality bowler. So much experience now. I remember seeing him back in 2019 when I was here at Sylhet. I was coaching Sylhet Sixers, and he was part of our campaign, and he was one of our sort of main weapon in the side. He was a pure, genuine wicket taker. And with more experience now, he's going to add more to this team. The only thing has changed a little bit from last time I was here at Sylhet is the surface. Surface has gone a little different now, a little bit more friendly to the batters, bit more bounce, which helps the batter also. Definitely helps the bowlers if you have somebody who can really hit the deck hard and can help some extra pace. Wow, that is clubbed away for 6.
Now just have a look at that shot from the left-hander Parvez Hussain Imon. It's a short-arm jab, but he possesses immense power, muscles it, and it goes all the way. He's a wonderful, wonderful play to watch out for if he's in that kind of a form. There's a bit of a thinking to do for someone like Labuschagne, who's been hit for a 6. Swept away, finds the fielder.
Well, all he is looking at this stage, Labuschagne, is to bowl googlies to the left-hander. He's not really ready to give any air or bowl a little slower. And that is why it becomes a little easy when the ball is little short to just get under it and use that pace. Gold aim! That's the googly I was talking about. Great length, a little bit of turn, and through the gate.
Yeah, look of surprise on Ronnie Talukdar, perhaps just keeping a little bit low. Yeah, lovely delivery. It's the wrong one, he didn't pick it up. He's thick on his crease, neither forward nor backward. And the ball does the trick. The wicket once again goes to Labuschagne. Ronnie Talukdar goes for 41. Sylhet 104 for 3.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.